Bitcoin Gold, we start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. As we can see, based on daily, we are within this correction. And now the only thing is you want to see whether we can look for buy or not. And if the price continue and drop, how deep it can go, even we can expect to drop price drop to 41. All right. Almost near to the previous low. The only thing is we want to see whether we can get the reversal. That's mean if we can get any trade setup for buy or not. Anyway, based on daily chart, the indicators doesn't show us any reversal point, but if we move to forward chart, the only thing is, as you can see, 48.5 almost is quite a strong support, because as we can see, 4 times the price tag, but there was no breakout. Anyway, if the price break 48.5, even we can expect the price drop to 41. But if we refer to the indicators, this is where we can see we see the divergence. That means is losing the momentum now. The only thing is whether we can get any trade setup for buy or not. Okay. Anyway, if we get any trade setup for buy, we will take it. And if I move to 1 hour chart, this is the levels we're looking for. If we get any trade setup for buy, the first level we're looking for is 54. With the break, we want the price to break 54. With the breakout of the 54, the next level is 57.3, following by 60. All right. That means if you get any trade setup from here for buy, we will take it in relative to this. Then from there, we want to see whether the price can break 57.3 or 58. If there is a breakout, we can look for continuation. If not, we can expect this one turn to a correction, and before we get one more drop. That's mean for me, if I want to look for trade, if I get any opportunity for buy, I will take it. Then if the price can break the highest price of this correction, I will keep the trade. If not, I will take out the trade. Then from there, I will look for sell, because as we can see, if the price cannot break 48.5, any reversal, this is what we're looking for. And if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. All right. Anyway, even simply we can put our line here, and as every times I mentioned, we are not using the lines to look for the trade, right? But even if we want to look for trade, we need to see the breakout of this one, which is the most important level we look for is 54. All right, but how to look for trade? Mostly, as we can see, every time the price there was a rejection, we don't see any trade setup. The only way is to look for buy as a sharp move flag. All right, rather than that, we don't see any other options to look for trade. Anyway, right now, if we get any opportunity for buy from here, we will take it. But how about if there is a breakout? The only times we can look for sell if the price sharply break following by flag or correction, then maybe we can look for sell. But if we want to look for sell, we need to be quite careful, because since based on forward and 1 hour chart, we see the divergence. We are expecting to look at least to get one move up. That's why I mentioned if we get one move up, then if there is no continuation, then this is where we can look for sell. Anyway, most of the chart they have a similar movement, and right now we're looking at the opportunity to look for buy. If we get any opportunity for buy, we will take it. But if the prices start to drop and with the breakout of 48.5, the only times we can look for sell if there is a confirmation for the breakout of 48.5. Then at this times I cannot give a recommendation how to look for sell. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any trade setup, either for buy or sell, I will share. But right now, what I'm looking for, at least if I get any opportunity for buy the short move flag, similar to what we have here, this is what I'm looking for. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.